This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Discoveries course. Let's see what we're doing. Do this. Use the pixelation widget to draw a smiley face. Alright, so let's remember where this is. 2 down, 1, 1, 1. Cool. Alright. And so remember, they're working on teaching us binary. So if I do a 0, 0 means null or no. 0 means nothing. So it's not filled in, it's a hole. And 1 is going to be a white space. So if we want it to be like theirs, at first, they had all white rows. Okay? And if you notice, let's see, I'm going to just be lazy and copy this and paste it, because that one was all white as well. Now, let's see here. This one had some white rows. I counted them. Remember, it was 3 in. 1, 2, 3. And then we had an I. So I needed to tell the computer, nope, nothing. Put a hole here. And that's a 0. Okay? And there were 2 between these. 1 and 2. And then an I, so 0, please put a hole there. 1, 2, wait. And that evens that out, okay? Now, there was another blank row, and since I copied all the ones, I'm going to paste them again. Okay? And then we had the mouth. So here, we needed a 1 for a blank, and then I'm going to do a 0, right? I need a hole there. Now I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the top of the mouth was at the same point on each, just 1 in, so 0. I need a hole there. And a 1, okay? And right under this, 1 and 0, this is actually going to be the exact same row because they had 2 of the same row on top of each other to create the sides of the mouth, I guess. And now it went in just 1, so hey, 1. 1 means, hey, fill this space in, and hole, right? 0 means false, it means blank. There's going to be a hole here, and hole, 1 and 1. Great. And finally, well, not finally, but now this goes in. Now we need a hole, 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 hole. 1, 1, 1. And now these last 2 ones were just filled with white space. So I'm going to paste what I had. Awesome. And I think we got it. Let's keep going. This is more detailed, but just remember, 0 means false, means not there. 1 means true, and it's there. So 0 is where the black hole comes from.